Hi there, I'm Beth Ramsden, and this week I'm thinking nautical thoughts. The lovely Tammy at Peace Craft Love Dolls has set a #doll challenge for this month of a nautical nature. I've been thinking about making military or nautical themed clothes for a while now, and was delighted to use this as an excuse to do it now. I've rummaged out everything that fits the theme while I figure out what I'll make. I'll start with a dress using the top pattern that you'll have just seen me use in my summer outfits video. I thought I could leave the bottom hem open and insert a gathered skirt instead. I use a pin to align the points of the bust darts, then machine stitch them. Do the same for the lining piece and then join the right sides together. I use pins again to align the outlines on each side. I'll sew all round, leaving a small gap to turn through, but I'm using a long stitch on the bottom hem since I'll be unpicking it after it's pressed. The top and sides get a tiny machine stitch. I trim the seam allowance for the top and sides and clip all the curves. Once it's turned through, I press it with the iron, then unpick the lower hem. I've chosen this sweet anchor fabric to match the navy top, and I cut it to 30 by 8 centimeters. I'm using my rolled hem foot to get a nice neat edge. And I'm turning in the upper edges like this before neatly top stitching. There we go, a lovely neat hem. Next, I'll sew 2 parallel lines of long stitches to gather up the waistband. Now I can insert the gathered edge to the top, easing the gathers to fit, then pin before stitching into place. Isn't it cute? Now, to close the back of the skirt, align and sew the lower back edges. I'll add a snap fastening to the top too. What a lovely shape, such a well-fitting top for the larger bust A-zone body types. I'll neatly attach white ribbon to trim the bust and waist. Very nautical. Now, I've made a collar bib shape which I'll sew up in white cotton. I'll add some navy ribbon to this too. I wasn't sure how to affix the bib to the dress without it being difficult to get on and off the body, so I thought I'd use these tiny magnets for now. I put them in the points and corners of the bib. That works really nicely. Then put their partners inside the dress where they'll attach. Check out my summer outfits video to see how this type of bag is made too. I've attached some nautical charms to the strap. You know I love to make doll shoes, so let's get her something to wear. I'm thinking sandals with a wedge heel, and I make thick cardboard soles which I colour in. Using white and navy ribbons and tiny buckles, I create a looped strap for the ankle and a band for the front. I'll catch the edges between the sole pieces and glue this folded ribbon for the heel around the back. Once the glue is dry, I shape some wedge heels out of polymer clay. I'll carefully remove them to bake in the oven to harden. Now I'll glue them to the upper part and neaten the join with a piece of ribbon. What do you think? I love them so much. I think sandals are a great way to start making shoes for your dolls. They fit perfectly, and I love that the ankle strap is functional with that buckle. Her outfit's almost complete, but I want to make a little sailor hat too. I have this jersey that I can use the stripes from. I'll hem the edges and sew it into a loop. Then I'll cut 2 circles of cotton and sew a circle for the top. I hand stitch the circle into place a little bit below the upper hem and then add some cute embellishments. So cute! It's attached using little loops and Kirby grips. Now, she looks ready to set sail, but what if she gets cold out there? Boom! A jacket! I made it by altering the pattern I created for the Hawaiian shirt in, you guessed it, my summer outfits video. Don't you just love it? It looks a little like a naval officer's uniform, with the gold braid and epaulettes. It's sewn from the same navy cotton as the dress top, and here you can see it fits perfectly over her dress. Now you might think I'm done here, but I went on to make even more outfits. Here I've made a beret and another bag to go with my second dress, using different fabrics and trimmings. And yet another outfit. This one has a headband and a ruffled lacy trim, as well as a big bow on a removable waistband. I realised that my 75th anniversary Barbie has been wearing a nautical skirt I made her ages ago too. Here they all are, my nautical collection, modelled by my lovely Blythe dolls. These were so much fun to create. I am actually going to list some of these for sale on my website, so please check it out. There are outfit sets, shoes and digital sewing patterns there too. I hope you enjoyed this. Be sure to check out all the other fantastic nautical themed videos. Their links are in the description below. Leave a like and a comment and consider subscribing if you haven't yet. Take care and I'll see you next time. Bye!